Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can get Seedify fund using the Trust Wallet app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open Trust Wallet, then go to the wallet section. And at the wallet section, on the top of the screen, you should see these four buttons, the send, receive, buy, and swap buttons. Now, if you want to get Seedify fund, you can either buy them or receive them. So tap on the one that you choose, and in the search bar, you just have to start typing in Seedify. And when you have found it, you just have to tap on it, and TrustWallet is going to generate your own personal QR code. And with this QR code, you can start receiving Seedify coins in your Trust Wallet immediately. You can also scan this QR code for yourself if you want. If you have coins in a different wallet, you can transfer them to your Trust Wallet by scanning this code. You can also use the copy icon, which is going to copy your Trust Wallet address, and you can use that for transactions as well. You can also use the set amount feature, which is a very interesting one and very useful, where you can type in an exact amount of coins, let's say 3,846. And when you tap on confirm, TrustWallet is going to generate a new QR code for you. And with this new QR code, you can receive this exact amount of coins, which is 3,846. And this is a great way for transactions or payments where you actually need to receive an exact amount. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye.